Central Texas news leader. You're watching KXAN Austin News.
This is serious business, really. It is getting cold fast.
It really is. If our forecast temperature for Thursday morning is correct at 16 degrees, it'll be the coldest temperature in Austin at Camp Mabry since 1990. So we're talking, 2 decades since we've seen this kind of weather.
We are definitely not used to this.
No, we're not used to this. And this storm is so massive, it is expected to impact 100 million people in this country. I mean, and it's just now getting wound up. And you can see the advisories there in the pink and orange that already stretch all across the country. And the storm organizing right now in New Mexico. These areas in pink there are winter storm warnings. I would probably put off a trip to Dallas or Abilene or Wichita Falls. There may be 4, 5, 6, maybe 8 inches of snow up there north of the Dallas area. In the Dallas Metroplex, several inches a possibility. That's the winter storm warning. And then farther to the north, that's a blizzard warning up there just outside of Oklahoma City. In fact, it includes the Oklahoma City area. Now, here at home, we are beginning to see some showers and thunderstorms break out up around Abilene ahead of this system. But the areas in pink there aren't severe weather watches. It's a winter storm warning for San Saba County in our extreme northern hill country. Now, there is some good news based on the timing of this system in that we'll get the rain and most of the precipitation in and out of here before the temperatures get a chance to fall below freezing enough to cause an icing situation for us tomorrow, at least in most areas. And later in the week, the same might not be said. As another system comes in, this one could bring us some snow, believe it or not. It is partly to mostly cloudy right now and 77 degrees around the area. A very warm day, but the last warm day. We won't see temperatures like this for quite some time. The storm that we've been talking about is getting wound up right now over the Four Corners area into New Mexico. Beginning to see some showers and thunderstorms break out right there. A little later on tonight, these thunderstorms have the potential to become severe. Austin, much of central Texas, in a slight risk for some severe thunderstorms overnight. The main risk would be some gusty, strong winds and maybe some hail up to the size of nickels or quarters, and not for very long. This is how it's going to happen. The storm will progress rapidly across the state tomorrow. That's snow, that's sleet and freezing rain, and that is rain. And then once it's in and out of here, we're dry for a couple of days, but we're very cold. A frigid Arctic air mass settles down into Texas and remains in place for really the rest of the week. It'll be Saturday. It'll be Friday before we even get back to 40 degrees after tomorrow, and then Saturday before we're above freezing in the mornings. All right, here's our hour-by-hour forecast. This is what we think is going to happen locally overnight by 3 a.m. Some rain, some thunderstorms possibly coming into the metro area. That pink area there is a transition to some freezing rain or sleet in San Saba and maybe Lampasas County. 5 in the morning, our computer model says it could begin a little bit of freezing rain, a little bit of sleet in parts of Burnett County, Llano County, maybe even northwestern Williamson County. But then it quickly ends as the storm begins to move east, rain even over in the metro area, 6, 7 a.m., and then it is all gone and out of here. But by tomorrow night, we're talking about wind chill factors near 0 as the temperature falls into the teens to 20. So this is going to be a big one. There goes the storm tonight. It'll be replaced by another storm on Thursday that has the potential to bring some snow even to central Texas. We're thinking light snow late Thursday and Friday. Not much accumulation, but snow around here is a very unusual thing. All right, mostly cloudy, 77 and 78 degrees right now. Winds at 9 to 20 miles per hour. The pollen count today was medium on the mold and high on the cedar. Front's already hit Amarillo. It's 23 degrees there. The rest of us getting a chance to have a few more hours of the nice warm weather. 50 tonight, some overnight thunderstorms tomorrow. We'll start maybe at 40 first thing, and then the temperatures will fall to freezing during the day. That rain will come to an end, though. 7-day forecast. What a forecast. Falling into the 20s tomorrow. 20 for a low on Wednesday. Thursday morning, 16 in Austin. That could be single digits in the hill country. Wind chill factors will be near 0 in the hill country for sure, and maybe even around Austin. And then late Thursday, early Friday, a chance of some rare snow.